Hey there, Babcock fans. Roberto here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're previewing one of our newest listings here in Babcock National. This is 15999 Grassland, Unit 3221. It is the Baycreek coach home. These are the largest condos that you're going to find here at Babcock National. The Baycreek is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2.5, really 3-car garage condo home. Let's take a look here. First, right down here into the garage. So you've got a tandem garage. The very front of your garage here, you can get 2 cars, and then you've got this nice space right here for additional storage, a 3rd vehicle, or maybe even a golf cart that you can utilize here at Babcock National, as well as all of Babcock Ranch. Under the stairs here, you've got a nice storage area, so plenty of room to put away your holiday decorations and such. Well, let's walk upstairs now and take a look at this beautiful floor plan. So with the Baycreek, once you get up the stairs here, you open up into this nice great room design here. But first, we're going to start on our left side here. This is where you have a closet for extra storage. And then we've got your 2 guest bedrooms, guest bath, and your laundry back in this space. So there's your guest bath here with your combination tub and shower, your commode, the single sink, as well as the linen closet. Directly across from that, you have the laundry space here with the full-size washer and dryer, as well as some additional storage right above that. And then we have both of our guest bedrooms here. These are huge guest bedrooms, really about the size of a master. And both guest bedrooms are gonna give you this nice walk-in style closet here. Let's take a look at the other bedroom here, which is really more of a flex space slash office for this owner. And again, you get the nice walk-in closet there as well. Now coming back into the main area, first thing, there's also a door here. You can cut this off for all your guests, nice and private back here. So here we are at the main living space here of the home. You've got a nice seating area here, or flex space, the formal dining. And then this all opens up and looks over the kitchen and great room space. One of the great things here at Babcock National, you do have natural gas for your cooking right here. So a lot of folks enjoy that. You've got a nice huge island here, and all of this overlooks your living spaces here, your sitting area, as well as your dining room. And off to my left here, this is your corner pantry. Plenty of space here for storage in your kitchen area. Now going directly across from the great room, we've got our master bedroom here. This is a huge master. Then we've got our his and hers walk-in closets, both really huge closets about the same size here. So you've got one walk-in closet here, as well as one right across from it. And then we've got the master bath here. So you've got your enclosed water closet. You've got the split vanities here. And then you've got this huge shower right here in the corner as well. Now, last but not least, we're going to talk about the viewpoint and the exterior lanai space. So coming out to the lanai, it's a really nice size lanai here. As you can see from the video, plenty of room for a dining area as well as a sitting space. And this view is one of the best views you're going to find here. You're going to get the combination of lake view as well as views of hole number 5 right across the lake as well. One of the last things I'll tell you about this unit, it is coming fully turnkey. So the furniture, the decor, the pots, pans, forks, spoons, and knives, those are all included with the sale. All right, folks, so if you're interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto Lee, and we appreciate you watching.